Welcome to a world where imagination knows no bounds, and every corner holds a new adventure. Children from all walks of life come together to explore and discover the wonders that await. As they roam through fields of emerald green and forests of enchantment, they find themselves in the company of extraordinary creatures, each one more magnificent than the last. From towering mountains to sparkling rivers, every corner of this mystical realm holds a secret waiting to be uncovered. With wide-eyed wonder and hearts full of joy, the children embrace the magic that surrounds them, forging bonds with creatures both great and small. Together they share laughter and stories, creating memories that will last a lifetime in this land where dreams come to life.